Love the Steelers. I'm here in Pittsburgh. Came to the Steelers Sports Shop. Oh, look at all the nice hats. Very, very nice. Different kinds. Love the Steelers. Look at these hats. Very nice. So look at the sweatshirts. Very, very nice. Love it. Love the Steelers gear. And look at the gear for babies. Then there's all the terrible towels. Whoop, whoop. And then these plush blankets. Very nice. Some nice t-shirts. Let's see how much these shirts are. The other stuff was pretty decently priced. So, let's see. Oh, that's not bad. $35 for a t-shirt. It's probably like what is that?
$88.
Yeah. That's way too big for you.
I'm gonna put it on. I just want to see what it feels like. Oh, it can go two ways.
It's a you got it on the wrong side. Yeah, turn around.
It can go two ways.
Yeah.
No, it's black on the inside.
Ooh, look at this Steelers stuff. Ooh, Sherpa robe. But let's see what this is. Ooh, look at that robe. Isn't that nice? So you guys, I know I'm probably giving you a headache running through here so fast. But I love the jerseys. They are nice. I like these jerseys. These jerseys are really cool. This is what happens when you're the baby and you're the last one at home and you go with mom to the store. I used to always do that with my mother because she always bought me something. I always came up with something. It's my favorite. Be the baby. I like being the baby.